How to claim Coingecko candies every day. Watch. There are so many airdrops that are always available from time to time on Coingecko application. So this is how the Coingecko app looks like. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store and install. Then when you install, you need to create an account using your Google profile. Immediately you are done creating your account, there is an icon at the top here that is a jar, okay, a container. Click on it every single day. Immediately you wake up in the morning, click on it. Then you have this section here. Okay, this is from 1 to 7 days. Every day you come here to claim each of the candies for that particular day. So this is how you claim. For each day, you tap on the day to collect any amount of candy for that day. Then Coingecko has come to add a boost to this. So if you watch video for 30 seconds or 31 seconds, you will get extra 5 more candies. So I'm going to tap on this now to watch the video. Now wait. So immediately the advert is done playing, you can skip from here and skip the last part. Then you're going to receive your congratulatory message that you have claimed your candy. So you have to come back the next day to claim more candy. So with those candies, you can actually use them to collect or participate in all these ongoing airdrop. This particular one is offering us, and also this particular one is also offering opportunity for you to earn $20 from this ongoing airdrop by the time distribution commences. So make sure to hit the follow button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share to your community, share to your status, share to your community. You're welcome. All I do here is to try things out. When it works out for me, I come here, I share it with every single individual to make something out for themselves. Pass like that. So make sure to follow, subscribe for more videos like this, educational videos only. You're welcome.